Hi, first grade. How are you? Are you good? Did you have an amazing little vacation from school? Did you rest up? Are you ready for November to be done and a new month to start? What's the name of the new month? November's done. We will start December, which means we're going to change up what we're talking about and reading about in the library. So I have emptied my treasure chest. I have refilled my treasure chest. Are you ready? What do you think's in there? Can you see? Paper? There's paper? Let's take a look at my paper. Do you know what that says? Maybe there's a big person sitting next to you. Toasty. What does toasty mean? Do you have toasty in the morning? You might have toast in the morning. Are you toasty right now? Cozy. Cozy. Can you see those letters? Do you know what that looks like? That's a hint too. Toasty, cozy, and comfy. What do those three words have in common? That's a clue to what the book is we're going to share today. Comfy, cozy, and toasty. There's something else in my treasure chest. Can you see what it is from there? Should I take it out? What do I have? I have a roll of yarn. Do you know what this is? I have needles, not needles that you poke, knitting needles. And guess what? I taught myself how to do this. So, do you know what it is that I'm doing? Is there a big person sitting next to you? Let me keep going. Any idea? Have you seen this before? Maybe you've been in a store and saw a scarf. Ever wonder how they make it? They probably don't make all the scarves in the stores this way because it would take forever. They might have a machine. I'm going to keep going. I want to show you. Look, I started on one, and as I work, it's moving to the other. Do you know what it's called yet? It's not crocheting, but it is knitting. I am knitting. And this will be a little bit longer, but I want to finish and show you what happens. I started with all of my scarf on one knitting needle, and as I knit my scarf and make it longer, all of my knitting has just almost moved to the other side. And now I have one row bigger. I am knitting. So, knitting, toasty, cozy, and comfy have something in common for today's story. Not going to tell you now. Move on to the next slide and you'll find out. See you in a minute.